Hello everybody. Today we are going to make a super simple paper airplane, not with those simple hard folds. Haha. Got you. See, I hit you with bullets. Just playing in Nerf 4. Now these are elite darts. These are zombie strike darts. These are window suction darts. And these are Nerf AccuStrike darts. They're very accurate. Very accurate. See? Okay, anyways. Now, to make this paper aeroplane, you will not need these. You will need a bullet, another bullet, another bullet, another bullet. You will need 4 elite bullets, 1 suction bullet. So first step, you take these bullets and we don't need them. Okay, anyways, sorry. Now, before I do every craft, I take my art goggles. Where are my art goggles?
They're in your room, in your room. Bathroom. Start the video again.
Hey, filmer. Hey, filmer, come here. Hey, filmer, I'm thirsty.
There's water right there on the table down there.
Where?
On the table behind the phone.
Oh, yeah, water bottle. Okay, it's okay. Now, I'll drink my water. You see, this is a rare bottle. It's like in a rectangular shape. Okay, now I was going to say something. You will need art goggles. Not really. I mean, these are my art goggles. I wear them when I'm doing art. Tape, no. These, no. Origami sheet, no. Origami sheet, no. Pencil, for decorations. Crayons, for decorations. Marker, nah. Wooden, yeah, nah. Sharpener, nah. Eraser, nah. Sharpener, again, nah. Eraser, nah. Okay. Now, to make this, you will need an A4 size sheet of paper, about 28 centimeters. You will need to, if you want, you can cut it into a square to make a square airplane. A square-shaped airplane, I mean. The sides will be just it'll not be long. So, I'm sleepy. Not really. Okay. First of all, we take this. I just like to make some creases to start with. You make a crease in the middle, just like you might do in a normal paper airplane, just to get the center line. Don't know how I got it perfect. I wasn't even looking, and I got it perfect. Okay, now you open it. You don't open it actually. Actually, you open it, do it the other way. Make as many, then after that. Now that we have done this, we get another crease. See, we get to its creases. And then after that, we fold it like triangle. Wait a second, I did it all wrong. We have to take a square piece of paper, but that's okay because you can just make a square out of this piece of paper. You can, if you did this, you can. And I asked you to make as many creases as possible, so it will add extra creases because we'll have to make more because square doesn't align it perfectly. I mean, you know, it doesn't align. Just fold it down into a triangle, like partially a triangle, and snip this area. You snip this area off. I would keep that area. Hey, where are my scissors? Keep losing things. Hey, Filmer, where are my scissors? Where are my scissors, Filmer? Why did I keep them there? Because I'm making a video right now. Sorry for the interruption. Couldn't find my scissors. And these scissors are specific. They have measurement markings on them, but they don't have to have measurement markings. Okay. Good. Now that we have done this, give it a nice little crease over here. And you open it up. Then after you gave it a crease, you have this kind. Then you again fold it the other way. Right. Wait, let me just straighten this. To straighten this, you'll have to get a drawer. You can put it partially in the drawer, hold it with one hand, and pull it out, and the drawer will make it straight. So there's a bookshelf on that side. You see it? I'm going there. There's a drawer. You put it in the drawer. Hey, Filmer, can you show these audience? Hey, audience, the filmer of the videos is going to show you. So, Filmer?
What?
Hey, Filmer, come here.
What do you need?
Me? I need to show them how to get it straightened from this drawer. Okay, anyways, Filmer, go. Bye. Let me show you myself. Hey there. Audience is for kids. Kids. Hello. Now we see this bookshelf, and then we put it partially inside this drawer, and then we pull it out. It got straightened. Now we're going back to the filmer area. I mean, where we were originally filming it. It's good. Now let's just give it a slight. These creases have to be as neat and clean as possible. Not clean, but neat. Mustard oil? Where is that? Origami sheet? Best friend. And okay, sorry. Okay, now that we have folded, I folded it in a triangle, then I folded it again, and now we open it up, and then we get this, then we fold it like a rectangle. I'll show you how. Don't start doing it right now. Take your time. I'll pause it when I show you. Like this, like a rectangle. Now pause it if you want when I'm doing this. Then you open it up and then do the same thing but on the other side, but on the opposite side. We did it like this, remember last time? Now we'll do it like this. Earlier we did it like this. Now we'll do it like this. Okay? You see me? Okay, not like that. We have to. This is the most tricky part of making this aeroplane. You see, when we did this, you see there are two diagonal lines. You have to get those diagonal lines to align somehow. Somehow you have to get them to align. This is quite difficult step. I mean, there's a not. Wait, I'm just making. These are just guidelines. If you do not want to do it, you can just fast forward it. I'm just making guidelines, and then you make this boat sort of shape. Doing some guidelines, and as you can see, there are flappy bits. Now, you fold those flappy bits. You fold those flappy bits onto themselves. Like this. Fold it onto themselves. Again, fold onto itself on opposite sides. Only one bit will be flappy, so you fold it like earlier. It was like earlier it was like this. Earlier it was like this. Now it's like this. I folded it up. The same on the other side. There's only one. It earlier was like this side, and you fold it like that. Then you open it up completely. Open it up. Now you have your guidelines. Now, first of all, now start making your normal aeroplane. Now, first of all, you do like that, you do like this. I just made these guidelines so it's easier to do it. Now that we made these, and then it was earlier like this. Now you like folded it like this. Completely to the center, and then do it the same on the other side. If I'm getting too slow, you can just fast forward it. I mean, you can see my face. I'm too young. I mean, I can't do it that fast, but I only discovered this way how to make a paper airplane. I didn't watch somebody very easy paper airplane. I didn't watch anything. I just found out that we could do this, and instead of doing so much, we could just do this. Now I think you know what to do now that we have made this triangle. Let me just get it as neat as possible. You have to get these as neat as possible. Now you got this. You just fold it like that. And now you know how to make the wings, right? Write in the section below, comment, or maybe on silkydawn@gmail.com, or on our other video, The Cat and the Donkey Story, because you can't, for certain reason, you can't comment on our videos these days. So you can check out The Cat and the Donkey, and you'll be able to comment about this video on that other video. I don't mind if you comment on that. I mean, nobody will notice, right? I'm fine with that. I mean, like this. For a really long time. And then we fold it to make the wings. Let me show you how. Have to do it on the flat surface. There. See filmer at the back? You see the filmer at the back? Can you see? You see?
Okay, go ahead.
Normally she's the filmer, but now I've done selfie mode. So I've put the camera on some object, my art box. I made a separate video on my art box. Or you can watch my other videos. You can click on my channel, and then you'll see thousands of videos. I love making origami these days in the coronavirus situation. I'll just recommend you using. Let's keep this aside. Wait, no, I'll do that at the end. Now, ta-da! You got a paper airplane so quick. I mean, the folding took a lot of time because I just wanted to make some guidelines. You see, this looks very nice. The guideline, you see, this looks very nice. And this especially, and these lines look like a real emergency exits. You see, they look like emergency. If you want, you could have just not done the creases and just immediately do it. But I find making it as neat as possible good. Now, filmer.
Yeah.
Now let us see how it flies.
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna do more art. So my art goes. Whoa, that goes far. Oh, that's my house. It went in my house. Oh, okay. Now, did something get like blurred? I think so. Something got blurred maybe. I think something got blurred. The camera's battery is low. Keeps coming in my house. Let me just... Okay. Now, Dettol is a sanitizer and spray and cleaning product company. In the coronavirus situation right now, COVID-19, it started in 2020. COVID-19, you can. There is not any cure right now. If you're watching 3 years later, there must be a cure. But if you're watching at this time, Dettol. Did I lose my arms? Okay, Dettol sanitizer. This is one of the Dettol sanitizers. This is the only Dettol thing which is available near me. Oh, and Dettol soap. See this? This is a Dettol soap refill. It kills 100% of all germs. It kills coronavirus. It kills coronavirus, and if you're in the coronavirus situation, I highly recommend this. And sanitizer also, it kills like 99% of the coronavirus. And also, you can see Dettol spray, Harpic for your washroom, and also Lysol for your kitchen and house cleaning. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, like if you actually enjoyed it, dislike if you actually did not enjoy, and comment on, if for certain reasons you can't comment on our videos, so you can comment on the cat and the donkey. You can story, you have to write all capital. The cat and the donkey story, all capital you have to write. And also, you can comment about this video and that. I don't mind about it. Maybe other people mind, but it's okay. And you can see our other video and comment about the cat and the donkey also. Thank you for watching again. And subscribe to our channel. And bye.